part of the reason why people seem to share false content is that they just like forget basically, or they neglect to think about accuracy. They don't even think about it. In a paper that we did just recently on the COVID-19 fake news content, they believe the true content 65-70% of the time, and the false content they only believe 25-30% of the time. So they're discerning between true and false. Like there's a big gap there. But if you ask them instead, would you consider sharing this on social media? Much smaller difference. In fact, they would say they shared 35% of them. The other group, if you ask them which ones do you think are true, they only said 25% were true, right? Which means for sure some people are sharing things that they could identify as being false if they bothered to stop and think about it, right? That seems to be like the bigger part of the problem to me, is that of course people share things that are aligned with their partisan ideology and all that kind of stuff. But the thing that we were trying to emphasize and that you can actually like help remediate is that people just don't stop and think about things, whether or not they're partisan. And part of that is probably because of the nature of social media. It doesn't incentivize truth, it incentivizes other things besides that.